So today's video is going to be showing you how to tell what gear ratio is in your Chevy 1500. So it's very simple and very easy, so stay tuned, and if this video is helpful, drop a comment and drop a like, and to see more videos, subscribe. So let's get this started. Well, you need to be on the passenger side of your truck. Go on and open the door. Just like so. Don't mind the no trespassing sign and CD and all that stuff. So, the glove box. You need to open your glove box up. Just like so. Once your glove box is open, you want your codes, which is right here. So, we are hunting for the G code, and they are several G codes. Right here's a list of them. Whichever, don't mind the mirror for Toyota. That's just because I needed a piece of paper to write this down. But GU4 is 308, GT4 is 373, GU6 342, and GU5 is 323. So what code do we got? We have GT4, which is a 373. Anyway, that's pretty much how simple it is to find out what gear ratio is in your truck. If it's got the factory in, then it will have what's in the glove box. Somebody changed it out, rednecked it, pretty much just cobbled it up, then it's on telling what you got. But if you're pretty sure your truck's uncobbled, then go by the code in your dashboard. So if you found this helpful, as I said before, drop a like, appreciate it. Check out my channel for more content. Hit that subscribe button. I appreciate the support. And I'll see you on the next video. More videos. Tons of content. Toodles.